Hey, what is up guys? We are back with a brand new video today. It is a long time coming for this beast of a video. It only got 11 views, but it's one of my favorites. We are doing the What's in the Fridge Smoothie Challenge 2. And Ethan is not happy right now.
Okay, here's some Ethan advice to give you. Never do this. You will regret it.
Are you ready to get into this? No?
Yeah, let's just do it.
Open her up. We got a lot to pick from here.
Figgy pudding.
It's not figgy pudding, it's butterscotch, but whatever.
Alright. I think you're gonna try for that cottage cheese just so that you can eat it on the way that we're making the smoothie.
Well, maybe eventually, but for now.
The baked beans, of course.
Just in the dark corner of the refrigerator. Well, it looks like that's it for picking now, guys. Let's get into it.
I'm thinking some dressing, like this one. This one.
Oh, that's my favorite dressing too. Great. Yeah. Now I'm gonna remember that each time I have a salad, which isn't very often.
What's in here?
You could do a kiwi.
I would like to do a kiwi.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kiwis are good stuff.
Kiwis are good stuff.
Alright, so far we have plastic the kiwi, baked beans, classic Catalina, and some butterscotch pudding, and soon to be Kung Pao chicken.
What?
Kung Pao chicken. That's what they call cat in Korea.
Ooh, yummy.
Butter. Yogurt.
No turkey?
No turkey. Alright, one more.
You know, I really wanted to do this last time, but I refrained for your sake. Guess what you want?
The turkey. You gonna go for the turkey. The bacon.
By the way, guys, there will be a card on the top of the screen, top right corner of the screen, where you can go and check out the first original video, and we'll probably also leave it on an end screen. And we'll leave it for a link in the description if you can't click one of those for whatever reason. So go watch it. It's horrible, but I recommend it anyways.
Look at the difference of what me and Everett chose. I chose sweet stuff, basically. And then here's Everett with baked beans, butter, cheap plastic, and bacon.
I went for my normal diet.
Okay, how much kiwi are we putting in there?
Let me test.
I'm saying we go for this next.
Okay.
Hey, move! Give me a spoon.
This last. I guarantee you one day I'm gonna pull something out of this. Can you stop? I can't hear that. I guarantee you one day I'm gonna pull something out of that fridge and get food poisoning.
I'm counting on it. In all honesty? I just want to put it.
You just want to put it? Ooh, pretty.
Make way for the yogurt in the camera. Alright, that's good. That is good.
Now we have to take at least a 15-minute snack break.
And some of this.
Go ahead. Put it in there. Alright, that's more than enough. It's gonna taste like Catalina and yogurt. Let's just do 2 slices.
Time cook. I was going to do that. 15.
Yep. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep, 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 beep. How did they cook that fast? No!
Hands off the bacon. Hands off the bacon. You said 1.5 pieces.
No! Get off! Like, no, no. Okay, I give up. You can have the bacon. You can have it. Dang it! Don't turn on the stove. The stove is on.
No, it's not.
It was for a second. Best friends now. Oh my hip.
Oh, your hip. Ah, baked beans. peek.
Alright. Stop! Got some kiwi, got some bacon, we got some yogurt, and that's not enough, so I'm gonna grab 2 more items. You what? Alright. Yep, you know it.
I knew it.
Ooh, we could do garlic again.
No. Pickles?
Ah, that's what the missing pickles.
And take the pickles away.
Nope.
Get rid of the pickles. Wouldn't miss it.
I love my cottage cheese.
Yeah, I know.
That's good! Jeez! Wow! That's... I want you to try.
No, I tried it before.
Try this
Try it.
brand. It's a different brand.
Okay, fine.
It's a different brand. So good?
No. I've never seen anyone pick up a pickle with a knife. We're not putting a whole pickle in there.
I knew you were gonna say that as soon as I pulled it out too.
Of course you put the bigger half in there. Yeah.
That's good. Wait. I need to set the scene. Oh my god, stop!
You've never had that much whipped cream on anything.
Well, yes, just not in my smoothie. I don't want it to taste like whipped cream, but I want
cream
my
doesn't
mouth to
taste
taste like whipped cream. Take this.
These
Let
are
me
gonna be-
show you how I do it.
Okay, you need to take a break. Nope, we're gonna see how this unfolds. I'm not turning off this camera.
What? What have we done? There.
Alright, get the glasses. Hold on. Ever it's not coming.
Oh, freak. Ow! It's still on there. There we go. Alright. Oh, Lord.
No, shut up! I've already done this today. I don't want to.
We've been to hell and back again.
More than 15 times over.
This is the measure of man! Oh, God.
No. Everything. This isn't it. Is this all we can do anymore? Is this what our lives have come to? And I want to spend the rest of my life doing this.
Clink and drink. Ow! Ah! Ah! It was so much worse than it smelled!
That was terrible.
Ah! Oh! Alright, I'm not gonna lie, guys. It smells awful. But, like, compared to the taste, I was like, okay, this is gonna be a bad one. I don't think it'll be as bad as the one we did today. But this, man, this is the worst. This is the worst smoothie challenge we've ever filmed. They keep getting worse.
They're so bad.
I thought the one we did earlier today was bad. I'd take that over this any day.
Alright, we need to dispose of this poison.
Let's burn it.
But guys, if you enjoyed this video,
I don't really care. I just want this video to be over, so I hope you enjoyed. If you did, for whatever reason, enjoy this stupid, awful video, please make sure to leave a like down below or subscribe or leave a nice constructive comment. But that's it for me in this video. Any final words?
see you all in the next one. Bye for now.
Bye for now, guys.